What it do, what it does, where you been, where you was, but it ain't what it is. Face in the mud, I really be hating in the mud. Said I can't pick it up, but I did. Y'all know Goon put too much bass in the sub. Cup full of blood and I gave it a chug. Wait till your neighbors get all snug, then play this real loud where you live.
Alright, what up YouTube? As I stated, I'm going to start doing the vlogs every day, just of the nonsense, the bullshit, the random stuff, the stuff doesn't even involve with the shop. But a couple of you actually commented before I go any further that you didn't see the post I made that talked about how we were going to do this, and I made a poll. So here's the thing, if you don't subscribe to our channel, you're not going to see the stories, you're not going to see the posts, and you're not going to see the what do they call them, polls. So that's why all these pages, whether it be ours or someone else, says subscribe. What's it hurt to subscribe? When you subscribe, then you're going to see our stories like you do with Snapchat, Instagram. I think Facebook has it now too. So first things first, hit the subscribe button. It makes us look better. We actually got our first sponsor. They hit us up. So I'm going to talk about them in the next couple videos you'll see. But you guys watching the videos and, you know, interacting with us and all that and getting our subscriber count up, you'll see that it actually helps us and help our channel. And then when our channel gets bigger, we'll just keep doing more and more videos, and the videos will get better, obviously. So okay, anyways, so don't forget, subscribe, and don't forget, go to the our website, fbombbaggers.com, and we got the apparel though, the hoodies and the t-shirts, so grab them. So yeah, so for the first vlog I got going on here, flip this guy around. This is 2018 Road Glide. It actually had the stage 4 kit from Harley, which we ripped out and did the S&S kit, but the only thing we actually kept on the kit itself is the heads and the throttle body, so it's actually going to gain a little more power. I'll throw the video in here of Cole's bike that we did this is the S&S Milwaukee 8 124 kit, and then we have the Cobra 2-into-1 pipe, and these Cobra pipes actually have the new padding pillow in the inside that can actually handle higher horsepower. So I'm actually just getting almost done doing it. Obviously got the jugs on, and this is the whole power pack kit from S&S. So it actually came with the oil pump, the oil plate, and the cam. So that's all done. Adjustable push rods, obviously cylinders, pistons, and then we're gonna fire it up and get it off to our guy Minos to have it tuned, and then she'll actually be getting picked up next week. But like I said, I'll throw the video. I think I still have it on my phone. Should be playing right now. Of Cole's bike and it being on the dyno and whatnot. So, but this is a really healthy cam, and it's really aggressive, and that bike really gets woken up. So I just got basically the upper end left on this guy. I throw the rockers on, the upper rocker boxes, throw the oil line on, just pop the tank on real quick, and then fire it up, let it idle. Make sure she's all good, and we'll be good to go. And I can probably actually cruise it before it goes to the dyno. It won't hurt just to put a couple miles on it. But like I said, as far as the filter, I don't know how much filter or how much horsepower this filter is going to rob. The other one, we did the K&N filter that actually uses a stock housing on Cole's bike. I guess we could have got like 3 or 4 horsepower out of it. With that one, same with doing a 2-into-1, you do sacrifice horsepower versus a true style 2-into-1 going to the back like a DD. But a lot of guys want this, you know, the side pipe look and the side pipe sound, so I grit it. And for the extra couple horsepower you're gonna lose, no one's ever really gonna know the difference. Keep kicking the chair over here. So yeah, that's about it. I'll slap this video together here shortly, throw it on the time lapse, and we'll be good to go. And yes, that's a fat front tire, baby. It's a nice fatty. She's almost done. We'll drop this video. I've got a lot of footage too. So yeah, I got a lot of footage that I've got on my phone that I'll just throw in. You guys, it's all new to you, so it doesn't really matter. I've got a lot of footage that I'll use, that I've got on my phone and all that I've never, you know, thrown on YouTube or any of the social media and stuff like that. And it's all new to you. And yeah, that's about it. So stay tuned for the fire up here shortly. Hopefully we're good to go. Bye. Actually, in the next vlog, a little quick in and out action that we always do. I'll throw this guy on here. This is Rob's Covington Dirty Tail. So he ended up doing a light bar, and now he's got the Samson 39-inch exhaust, which is right here. So we're gonna throw that guy on there. This is all Dirty Tail, Dirty Bird. We did something to it a few weeks back. I can't remember what we did, to be honest with you. And it does sit on a center stand. You just got it parked on a kickstand right now. So yeah, stay tuned. We'll throw that on the next vlog and try to keep them going. All right. All right, it's on the lift. He's gonna rip into it. Cool. This guy right here. Curiok, these little dudes. And then you're gonna get that Samson exhaust. It's gonna be the first initial fire up here for a minute. Don't want to smoke the joint out. We'll do it later on and let it run a little longer. Just because we got the AC on. Get the screen all fired up. Once that cam starts building, once the lifters start building pressure, then it'll start cackling more. So basically it'll be noisy. The lifters are going to build pressure up, so I'm going to let it sit for now, heat cycle, and then it eventually gets quieter and quieter and quieter because the lifters build pressure. Then you don't get the rocker chatter. So we're going to let it sit for 20 minutes and cool down a little bit and unstink the place, and then we should be good and fire it up and let it idle. And you can hear the cam starting to come through. Once the pressure does build up on the lifters, you can actually hear the da 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 instead of it's being real smooth. So it should be better in the next fire. So stay tuned. Go around the front. Pull right in that parking lot right there. So we just did Pete's stereo, redid it again. He just doesn't listen the first time, just to do it right. So it's a little crazier louder now, so we're gonna give you an example of it here. So stay tuned. Alright, so I'm gonna insert this video of this kid breaking down on the side of the highway.
Hey, it's not funny.
At 10:30 at night on a Saturday. Why don't you explain what happened?
10:30 at night, this kid fucking just made me get on fucking I-80, come all the way to the shop to pick up his bike that broke down because he fucking hit the kill switch. That a boy.
The battery was dead.
The battery was dead, or was that kill switch dead right there?
I might have hit that kill switch.
that kill switch was, it must have not been put on correctly from the factory. Because I got a call at fucking 10:30 at night saying his bike doesn't start and he doesn't know why.
That trailer.
Yeah, and I had to go get the trailer. Kill switch got turned off. Just make it really awkward. Alright, he's off. You can hear him echoing still. So I'm gonna fire up this bike and let her idle now. Day's over and it can stink the joint up. I got water all over my face. Alright guys, that was the first true vlog that we're just throwing stuff together. I'll probably show those bikes finished obviously in their whole video themselves for the ones that we built. Other than that, the ones that we're just doing work on, I'll just stick in another vlog when it's finished, no big deal. But we'll see how this goes and see if it gets any better, and you know, see if I can keep the content coming and get used to talking to the cameras as much as we do. But in the meantime, what do you think? What kind of car I got going on here? Give you a little taste. Guess the steering wheel gives it away. About 50 to 100 real quick. On that note, if you are a car guy, I'm trying to get out of the sun, so I don't know how this is going to work. But if you are a car guy, go on YouTube. I've always been a car guy, always been a street race guy, straight quarter mile, eighth mile, all that stuff. I did recently try going to autocross or whatever they call the track. That was actually pretty cool in this car. Obviously, you probably know what car it is. Drop a comment if you don't. It's a Cadillac. You should know which one it is by now. But anyhow, go to Street Kings Chicago. Just type in Street Kings Chicago, and you'll see our first video that we dropped is a Mustang, green Mustang on the front. We're doing our own little small tire deal, eighth mile, run what you brung, 28-inch tire. So check it out. Let me know what you guys think. We've got a couple more episodes dropping next week. And then we got another episode, another one we filmed, dropping in a few weeks after that, and we'll plan on probably doing 2 more. And we're doing it all by ourselves. It's all the racers, all funded by us. No big production company, nothing like that. So check it out. Hit that subscribe button on there too, because we need that subscriber count to go up, and we'll keep doing it if you're a car guy. So go check it out, Street Kings Chicago. So all right, until the next episode. Peace.